Have you heard of Cinderella? Cinderella, Cinderella. Have you heard of Cinderella? Cleaning all the time.
Have you seen my Cinderella? Cinderella, Cinderella. Have you seen my Cinderella losing her glass shoe?
Cinderella. Cinderella is a very nice girl. She lives with her father, her mean stepmother, and ugly stepsisters. Soon, Cinderella's father dies. Her stepmother says to her,
"You must clean and do laundry."
One day, there is a ball at the castle. So her stepmother and stepsisters wear beautiful dresses and nice shoes. "Take me to the ball too," Cinderella says. Her stepmother spills beans in the fireplace and says,
"Pick up all the beans and I will take you there."
Birds come and pick up the beans. Now, all of the beans are picked up. And she asks, "Please, take me to the ball." But her stepmother says,
"No, you don't have a beautiful dress or nice shoes."
And her stepmother takes only her stepsisters. Boo-hoo! Boo-hoo! Suddenly, Fairy Godmother appears. She uses magic on a pumpkin, a mouse, and a lizard. Ring! Fairy Godmother waves her wand. A carriage, a horse, and a driver appear. Cinderella has a beautiful dress and glass shoes. Fairy Godmother says, "You must come back before midnight." Cinderella goes to the ball. The prince sees beautiful Cinderella.
Will you dance with me?
He asks. The prince only dances with Cinderella. Ding, ding, ding. It is 12 o'clock. Cinderella runs and loses a glass shoe. Then the prince finds the shoe. Servants look for the glass shoe's owner. Finally, they come to Cinderella's house. The shoe fits Cinderella's foot.
Wow! It fits perfectly!
Cinderella wears the glass shoes to the castle. The prince says,
Finally, I found you!
Cinderella marries the handsome prince. They live happily ever after.
핑크퐁 영상 재미있었어? 구독 버튼을 눌러줘. 구독해! 유튜브에서 핑크퐁을 검색해주세요.